Kane and I are going to the mail room to get my mail, but it's snowing. Yee! Not me wearing my weird outfit though. Wait, let's cross the street. Oh shoot! Look how deep! Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. I should have called one of my sisters to show them. Kane, show them your hat. Kane, my camera! Damn, I hate.
Go ahead and say it for the vlog, huh?
No. Okay. Okay, period. So pretty.
That tree about to fall down.
Don't say that. Oh, I love how that red just pops out. You see it?
Yeah.
You show how tall the snow is, so up to my knees. My outfit's not matching. Here's my Jeep. Over there, just covered in snow. The poor Jeep. Look at your mittens. What we finna do?
Build a snowman.
Okay, period. You tell him, queen. Hold on, let me come over. This is my snowman. You see the head, the body with a little piece of my hair, and his legs. And this is Kane's snowman. I'm gonna eat some. No? That's not right?
Yeah, eat it.
Why? Is that like nasty? That was good. That was good. You do snow angel? Or should I?
You should.
Okay.
I'm scared. I could.
I mean, I feel like I'm about to get frostbite, but that's okay.
Nah, you won't. You gonna lay down? Oh fuck. Yeah. I don't think it's a good spot. I just don't.
Oh, I think it did happen down here. Yeah, it's hard. I think I just pulled a muscle trying to do that.
That looked like a demon.
Alright, let me see you.
Oh,
you won't even feel it, I promise.
Right.
Go to a better spot than me. Be better than me. Go ahead. Wait, yours looks better than mine a little bit. It don't got a head though.
This snow's hard.
It don't got a head though. Not that North Carolina snow. North Carolina snow. No, it don't.
Every couple years.
No, it don't. Snow is fun. Y'all have been watching me for a while. If y'all watched my last few videos, y'all heard that I was studying for that test I was telling y'all about, right? Right. So I just want to say that today I officially have the highest score out of everyone at my job, at least. Not like the whole Coast Guard, but just everyone at my job. So I just want to put that out there and say, like, I did study really hard, so that's why. It's not like the best score in the whole entire world or nothing, but I mean, I just got there. Right, Kane?
Yes, sir.
And I just want to say, like, if y'all ever have accomplishments like this, don't feel bad for rooting yourself on, or what's the word? Like hyping yourself up for it, because haters gonna hate, right?
I got the highest score.
No, I officially have the highest score now. Well, me and this other guy, but I'm the only female. I'm the female with the highest score, so you know, just a little dedication, motivation, you know what I mean? Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching our snow vlog here in New England. This New England snow different, huh, compared to North Carolina?
No, it's nasty.
I hope you have a good day or night wherever you are in this world. And make sure to always, do you know what I'm about to say, Kane?
What are you gonna say?
You don't know what I'm gonna say? So you don't be watching my YouTube videos.
Yes, I do.
If you don't know what I say at the end. Whatever, y'all. Always put yourself first. Good night and goodbye. Kane.
Peace. Goodbye.